Every boat is legally required to carry safety equipment on board. The amount and specific types of required safety equipment vary with the size and type of the boat. For power-driven boats up to 6 meters in length, you'll require one Canadian government-approved, properly sized PFD or life jacket for each person on board. There are plenty of choices in PFDs out there, so find the one that suits your style of boating and don't just carry it aboard, wear it. To attract attention, if you need help, you must carry a sound signaling device. A P-less whistle is sufficient, but a compressed air horn is better because the sound carries farther. Consider attaching a P-less whistle as a personal sound signaling device to each life jacket. A watertight flashlight with working batteries is required, and 3 visual distress flares of type A, B, or C. You'll also need a bailer or manual bilge pump with a hose long enough to go over the side of the boat in the event your boat takes on water, and a buoyant heaving line at least 15 meters in length to retrieve anyone in distress from the water. Should your engine quit, a manual propelling device like a paddle or an anchor with at least 15 meters of cable, rope, or chain is required. In a larger boat, the anchor is the better choice. Although 15 meters of anchor line is legally required, your boat may require more depending on the depth of water you're likely to anchor in. If you're freeboard, the distance from the water to your gunnel is over half a meter, a reboarding device is required. This can be a transom ladder, a swim platform ladder, or something simple and effective like a looped piece of rope. If your boat is equipped with an inboard engine, a fixed fuel tank, or a fuel-burning cooking appliance, you'll require one 5BC fire extinguisher. If you'll be operating your boat after sunset and before sunrise, you'll also need navigation lights. And finally, you'll require a current marine chart, unless you're familiar with the local area and its hazards. Although what we've reviewed are the minimum required pieces of safety equipment, there are many other items that you would like to have on board in case the unexpected happens. They include a basic toolkit and some spare parts, a spare propeller, prop nut kit, spark plugs, some wire, a length of hose, clamps, spare drive belt, and of course some duct tape are just some of the items that are good to have on board. To deal with minor medical issues, a first aid kit is a good idea. The basics should include some band-aids in various sizes, sterile gauze and tape, ointment, and something to sterilize a wound. The sun's rays reflecting off the water will be significantly stronger than those found on land, so sunscreen is a must-have on board. For mooring, lines and fenders are also important pieces of boating equipment. The lines are used to tie your boat to a dock or for towing in the case of a breakdown. Fenders offer protection against scuffs or other damage to the boat when moored to a dock or rafted against other boats. And items like a magnetic compass, VHF radio, water, and snacks will help make your boating safer and more enjoyable. The key to safe and enjoyable boating is to equip your boat properly for the type of boating you intend to do, and know how to use that equipment if it's needed.